Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 7T, and today I'll show you how to access the recovery mode on the device. So to get started, you want to hold power key and select power off, like so. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you want to then hold power key and volume down. So power, volume down, both keys at the same time. You'll feel a vibration, and then you'll see the OnePlus logo, which at this point you can let go. And select your language just by simply tapping on it. And you have just a couple options: wipe data and cache, advance and exit. So we can go into advanced. From here you can access fastboot mode or reboot to recovery mode, which is where we are right now anyway. And then you have also wipe data and cache. And once you tap on it, you have a couple options here. So reset system settings, wipe cache, and erase everything. So basically the last option is a complete hard reset. This is just a cache wipe, and then this is just a setting reset. Also, you can go back, you can exit from here, and you can also tap on here. So reboot to recover mode, and you'll see that we'll be back in the same mode. So as you can see, it's back to where we were. And if you want to leave it, you can just tap on exit, and you have two options again, reboot or power off. We want to turn back on the device, so I'm just going to select reboot, and once more reboot. And now the device will turn back on into the normal Android system. And there we go. So that is how you access and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.